Hi everyone, welcome to JavaScript Bytes, where we solve practical JavaScript problems in bite-sized chunks. In this video, we'll fix a common UX issue. When a user scrolls down a long page, then reloads and come back, they lose their place. We'll solve that by saving their scroll position in JavaScript and restoring it on page reload. So let's begin. I'm here in Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to start by creating a new file. Okay, for this video, we need a lot of content. So for that, I'm going to use lipsum.com to generate a ton of content. So here I am in lipsum.com. This is a website where you can generate lengthy content of your choice depending on criteria you specify. So I'm specifying the criteria that I need 25 paragraphs worth of text. I click generate and I have this text ready to paste, which hopefully would be enough for our test case. Here we go. All right, to ensure that we do get a scroll bar, since we need to restore a scroll position, we need to add some styling, which I'm going to do next. Okay, next I'm going to write some JavaScript to save our scroll position. Every time the user scrolls, we store their scroll position using window.scrollY. We wrap it in a set timeout so it only runs after scrolling stops. This is called debouncing. The next step is to restore scroll on load. So let me type that out too. So when the page loads, we saved the savedY coordinates from local storage and scroll the window using scrollTo. In case you are not familiar, local storage is like a tiny built-in database in your browser that lets you save data even after the page is refreshed. Okay, let's test it out. Save the file. Let's say I scroll to this place, Orkia Liquia, something, and then I reload. All right, you can see it approximately plus minus few pixels scrolls to the exact position where we were. So if I go to the end, refresh, it stays at the end. If I start exactly in the center, it stays in the center. You can extend this further by using session storage to keep position only during the session, saving scroll by page using location.pathname as the key, or clearing the scroll position on logout or navigation. So that was it. That's how you save and restore scroll positions using just JavaScript. This is perfect for blogs, dashboards, and long pages where user experience matters. For more practical JavaScript tips, check out the JavaScript Bytes playlist and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.